Ayan, at last, ayan na yung pachi. Yung pachi sa gasas na kanina nating tinignan. So, continuation ng ano to, searching for pachi. Ayan, eto na siya. Eto yun. Okay, tingnan natin sa loob. 298 for 1 kilo.
Yes, and you have like this 1 kilo mix from nuts and creams.
What? How much is this?
330.
330. Oh,
This 1 kilo mix.
This already 1 kilo.
mashallah. This is the 1 kilo?
No, this is more. The dish more.
How? Can I see?
This 700 5 reals.
This one set.
Yes, all.
All,
This
ah?
1 kilo 800 grams.
Oh, 800 grams.
1 kilo and 8.
1 kilo and 800.
Yes.
1.8.
Yes, 1.8 grams.
This one is 555. Mashallah. Very nice, huh?
Yes.
Where? This is the half kilo?
Half kilo, yes. This is 175. Half kilo. This nuts and creams.
175.
Yes, half kilo.
Okay, 175 half kilo. This is the 200
Nuts and creams. This mix.
nuts and cream.
Yes.
Mix of nuts and cream, ha? Yan, narinig nyo guys. Kanya
This is
siya.
new collection for Ramadan.
Yes.
All of this new collection for Ramadan, and you have another collection like this.
Okay.
Like this.
Around 150 real only there is, no? Half kilo for 150 real.
150.
Yes.
You have like this. 165. But this the weight 360.
360 gram.
Yes.
So much lower, huh?
Yes, I recommend this one because this half kilo.
Yes.
And the price it's low.
Up.
Than this.
Then this one, huh?
Yes.
So this is the recommended one.
Yes. And the best one it's by kilo like this half kilo. It's mixed.
Yes. Maybe how many pieces inside?
Maybe it's 30 pieces.
30 pieces?
Yes.
But the price is 175.
75. From the Bacino or Gourmandine, because this all books for gifts.
For gift.
Yes.
So for
Okay.
this one, you can put here.
Okay, I like this one. This is the nuts, right? This.
Yes, this is group for nuts.
This is the group of
This is
nuts.
Yes, and this is for cream, and this is for no added sugar.
No added sugar.
Yes.
But possible to make it mix together
Yes, we can take from all.
from all. But how much will be the price?
As you like. If you want 200 from this, I see how much. If you want 200 for this, all by grams. I can know how
You
the
can calculate.
price.
Okay, can you make it that one to me?
1 kilo.
No. Half. I need only half.
Okay, half kilo. Maybe I take from nuts.
Roba and Roba?
Yes, from nuts 250
Combination,
grams.
yes.
Yes, and for this
150.
Okay.
grams, 250 grams.
Can you see? Can you take it?
Okay, you want know how the price?
Yes. Can
Okay,
I say no? We need to know the price. I want to know the price.
This is nuts, 280.
Yes.
78.
Yes.
Okay, and for 250 grams,
Yes.
it's 69 and 5. Okay.
How much will be?
Plus, and for creams 74 and half.
Yes.
Okay, it's 144
Okay.
for half kilo mixed for nuts. And,
I will take that one.
Okay.
Very good recommendation.
No.
Thank you.
Okay,
Very good.
you can take two boxes.
Yes.
One for nuts, one
Yes.
for creams.
Yes. Very good. Yes. Very good recommendation. Huh?
Can I have this one?
This-
So I can...
You can. I will take it copy for.
So
okay.
yeah, the small.
Only your copy. I will just take picture.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
The small box will be 250 gram and this will be completely half kilo, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you can give
As
me
you
this
like.
one. This one, I like this one.
Okay, no problem.
These two.
I will help
Thank you, Abdurrahman. I will wait. Yeah. The chocolate already inside, huh?
Yes.
Okay. You subtract the weight of the carton?
Yes.
Oh, you see?
Is everything about calculate?
Calculate, huh?
Sir Abdurrahman, is there no free taste of this chocolate?
I will check now.
Yeah. There is very...
Very accommodating
Yes.
of you.
Ayun na. Nilalagay na yung half kilo ng cream and then half kilo ng with nuts. Dito lang yan sa Gasas Alhambra Pachi. Okay guys, this is the nuts. Combination of the nuts. Pachi. Ayan. So tuloy-tuloy lang siya sa pag mimix combination. I think 2 pieces more.
ilang kilo na sa atin.
Little boxes. 25 real na na-receive natin from Kitab, only from Abdurrahman. Okay, thank you again for Abdurrahman for this one.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
I hope to come again, please.
Yes, I will come again. Very accommodating.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, brother.
Bili na tayo, so natapos na. Madilim na rin. Let's go na tayo. Ayan, thank you Pachi. Ayan yung salesman. So tuloy na tayo.